So we're gonna make our way over there now. Let's go get a cold start on the truck for you boys. Truck there, quad. So this is roughly where the winch is gonna go, and that spot right there. They have some bolts there. I don't know if that's 4 winch, but yeah, that's where we're gonna throw it at least. Got the truck there, sitting on ice. It's raining right now, so yeah. Get a cold start for you. Got the lunch. Pretty good. I did just drive it here, so it's not that cold, but it's actually like 4 degrees out here. Yesterday it was like 20. I don't know what the hell happened to the weather. Freaking cold came in. Boys, damn boys, look what we just saw. M3 and an M5. That is fucking sexy. So this is the quad here, boys. He's got the solid 27s on it. He claims they're way better, which they fucking are. Way better than mine. So he's already got the plastics off here. You got the battery right here. So we're gonna run these 2 terminals go to the winch. That's the winch. Those 2 go to the winch. These 2 are gonna go to the battery. And we're gonna try to throw the winch down there where it's supposed to go. So we're gonna wire, we got the battery already disconnected here. We're gonna wire it through, follow all this wiring harness here, and then try to go under there and go over to the front there and try to miss all the suspension stuff. And yeah, way fucking cleaner than mine. I've never taken this plastic off, so mine's probably pretty dirty. And there's the air filter, by the way, how I talked about it in the last video. So now we won't have to use ratchet straps if we do this properly. Those are the plastics there. So boys, we got there's like a control module. We got that sitting in there. Let's see. Yeah, right there. It's not touching the steering. It's not touching anything that's gonna be moving. So it'll be good. And then we're gonna zip tie the wires, obviously. Over here like this. Boom, boom. They'll go right there. And then we got the ground and positive. Coming over here, we got the ground here. We'll bunch that up and go right to this bolt here. Then we got the positive running all the way around to there, and then it goes right there. So yeah, just gotta run and grab some zip ties. So we finally got the winch on. It was a bitch. It's way too fucking, most winches won't fit here. There's fucking way little room. You can barely get it in on the fucking side through here. You have to go through there. It's so hard. And then you got, there's gonna be a little plate here for this to go on. You could also put it on the rack. We got the tools there. But you could put it on the rack there, or we were debating in the back. So you can take pictures of the quad, it's not gonna be in the front. We were debating throwing her like right here, or on the left side. But then we figured, let's go give that one more shot up the front, at the front. And I think we're happy with how it's sitting now. It's sitting pretty solid. So yeah, we just gotta wire it up. Leave a little bit of slack here. Release a little slack so we can put where's the rolly thing? Oh, up there. So we can put this on, because I tried without the slack and it's not easy. So we'll get the slack and then wire up the mount, because we're gonna put it either on the left side, or I think I'm right here on the left side, the button in and out. Wherever that is, right here. In and out. It's actually a pretty nice winch. Finally got her done, boys. She's sitting nice and pretty in there. We got the control switch right here. As you can see. Tried to make it look as OEM as we could. Then we got all the slack put up in there. And the control box is down there. I don't know if you can see it there. It's to the right of that T-case. And then you got the power here with a fuse. It's a 50 amp fuse. I think it says on the side. Where is it? Yeah. 50 amp fuse to the battery. And then we got it grounded right here. She's working solid. See? Ready. Go. Oh, no more ratchet strap, boys. She's working solid. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, that's good. Boom. Finally. Now we're gonna put back the plastics. She'll be all good to go. Boys, that's it for today's video. It's a couple days later now. I'm actually debating on going to get one for myself. I'm gonna see how good it works when we're in the bush and see how good it is at pulling me out. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you boys next Monday.